Hello friends, welcome back to Windows Fixer YouTube channel. As you know, we work on topic related to Windows or game related problems that you suggest. Today we have a similar situation as mentioned in the comment yesterday, and although I was busy at that time, but now let me share a quick solution to a problem called irun Webcam Uninstallation process stuck. So the problem is these webcam applications allow you to use your mobile camera as a webcam by granting permissions. This enables you to use your Android device as a webcam. Now the problem is uninstalling after result is an error commonly known as the blue screen of death. However, here's a quick way to fix that problem and uninstall it easily. And the first thing is you need to close it from in task manager. You know, task manager is important. Sometimes applications are still running, so you need to go into the task manager and find that software if it's running on the background, right? Now let's find it. What's that? Microsoft distributed transaction. I have seen this for the first time, but anyways, right now it's not running on the background. So we need a third-party tool. If we go from here control panel, then it will not work. Maybe you will see a black screen or blue screen. So first you need to download a third-party uninstaller such as Super Erase Your Data or IObit Uninstaller. So we are searching here the Super Erase Your Data. You need to search it on Google or Bing, so you will get here the tool. Over here, reliable data eraser and disk wipe software. Try it for free, and it's around, I guess, 17.2 MB. Okay, using these tools you can install any files from your computer, the IObit Uninstaller and the Super Erase Your Data. Now there's a lot of other softwares tools are available in online market, but I'm friendly with these tools, so that's why I'm recommending these. If you are familiar with other, you can use those. There's no problem. You need a uninstaller, a third-party uninstaller that provide a feature like deep scan. I will show you that what is deep scan. First we are launching it and installing it. Now choose the destination and check this. I have read and accept, and you can also read the agreements and license terms. After installation, just click on run now, and here we go. Just go into the uninstaller and find the application that you want to uninstall properly, completely from your PC. I mean the backroot folders and registry files as well. So here I'm gonna uninstall the Microsoft OneDrive. It's just optional. You can avoid this. You can directly go check your application, and you can even uninstall multiple applications at once. Just check these like this, and then click on uninstall. Once you click on uninstall, a pop-up will appear. Do you want to uninstall the selected two programs? Yes, of course. Click on uninstall, and now you can see it's uninstalling the program from your PC. But you can do the same thing from control panel. After that, uninstallation, a deep clean feature. You cannot deep clean these files using control panel or applications options, which is available over here in the settings. If we go into the settings, then applications and here you can see you can also uninstall programs from here, but you cannot deep clean. Now in this case you can see there's option deep clean. Click deep scan to find and clean up leftovers of uninstalled programs. So just click over here and that's it. See, and click on delete once again and that's it. Now you can restart your PC without getting any error, and these tools has been removed from your PC. If you like today's video, kindly subscribe this YouTube channel, give it a thumbs up and press the bell icon so you never miss any upcoming videos from our channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.